What's up, what's going on, world? Welcome to another video of Hiking While Black. I am here in PA. This is my first hike in PA, and I'm here with
Joy. This is not my first hike in PA, but my first hike in PA with Ty.
So you know, I'm interested, super excited to see what PA hikes are all about. And you know, let's get to it. Kick back, relax, hiking while black. Let's go. Now, I'm not gonna lie. You know how we just did that back there, which is not bad at all?
Yeah.
I feel winded.
A little bit too, yeah. And I'm like...
winded. I'm like, yo, we just walked. Like, it wasn't up a hill, nothing.
Jog
We
at
just
least
walked.
4 or 5 miles a day.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling winded. It's just like...
We getting old, Joy.
We're getting older. We need better sleep. We need to sleep.
That's what it is. My sleeping was terrible last night.
Yeah.
No snake jokes at all.
No snake joke. I was all right when we saw the rat snake a few weeks ago on the Appalachian Trail, because I know that was one of the good guys.
Yeah.
He was cool. What was his name? Jerome. We named him Jerome. I named him Jerome. That was me. But yeah. But like I said, I'm scared of them things. So when I'm scared of something, I try to study it and learn about it. You saw me reading about what to do with the snake bite and all that other stuff.
Exactly.
So my paranoid self is walking around with ace bandages, hoping that we don't need it. What do they say? Hope for the best, prepare for the worst.
Exactly. Correct.
Because I could have sworn I saw pictures on All Trail of this as a running, bustling stream or whatever.
Yeah, that was a picture 3 years ago.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm joking. I don't know. But yeah.
It's dry.
It's dry. We've been in a drought.
Yeah. There's other parts of the world. I think I was reading Somalia is having a drought of biblical proportions right now.
So, what do you think about this hike so far? Although it's only been 5 minutes.
It's nice. The path is clear. It's wide. It doesn't appear to be overgrown. If you're into trail running, this looks like a good trail running trail. And so far it looks kid friendly and pet friendly.
Okay. Looks a little scary to me. I don't know.
I don't know. It's just like, I know we haven't had rain in a while, but I didn't know it was this bad. Look, it's still the same riverbed or whatever that is. Yeah, when she saw your shirt and saw what you were about, she literally said it without prompting. Hiking is considered a whitewashed activity, and the park rangers were thrilled to see us, creating awareness, encouraging everybody to get out and enjoy this.
So PA, you get an extra point for that.
Yeah, super friendly.
Super friendly, you know.
Super informed, super progressive. That was cool.
Milford Trail, Pennsylvania. Hiking while black.
I wonder if that's why people are seeing more and more wildlife in their neighborhoods.
Because of the
no water.
No water. Huh.
Look, same thing.
Okay. So it looked like the path veers off, right? Or not veers off, it splits. We can go left, it goes up the hill, or we can go right.
What was that picture we took?
According to the trail, I think we can go any which way, I think, right?
Yes, we can. That is correct.
Let's Milford Knob Trail. Maybe we go up.
Okay, we can do that.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up. Walk up the mountain. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get a little workout in now.
Get our workout.
Even though I'm still sweating and I ain't we really didn't have no real inclines, or at least it didn't feel like it. But
did it. Now let's do an incline.
Now let's do an incline. How's everybody doing? Sleep. Highly recommended the night before you go out for a hike. You all right?
I am good. That was just me being sensitive to your height thing. I wasn't sure if this was going to trigger you or not.
See, Joy, no, I'm afraid of heights, so she was being kind enough to walk on the outside. But I told her, nah, I'm a man, I gotta walk on the outside, you know. Okay. So I'm good. It's all good. This trail, as you know, when we split it, now green and white. I think eventually it's gonna turn to white. And then we're gonna do another loop, I believe, and it's gonna connect us back to the green again. So it should be interesting.
So this little quarry path trail that we're on now is only a half a mile.
Okay. It's a little nice incline hill. I did the old, I gotta tie my sneaker trick to catch my breath. Joy's taking a quick. I
just said I need to stop. I'm not gonna make an excuse.
Yeah. my pride, I had to make that excuse up. But this hike is still good. What do you think about this hike now still?
It's good. It's easy to moderate. But like we didn't exactly follow the original trail, so easy to moderate.
Yeah, we want to make it entertaining for y'all, you know. Else we probably would have been done already.
Probably.
You know, gotta add some excitement and adventure to it.
Absolutely.
So we here at another fork in the road. Now, I think we go right?
So if you look at this side, we went counterclockwise.
What they told us to go?
Milford Knob Trailhead shuttle parking. If we went that way. This is the cliff trail. Right? Is that 2 trails?
I'm not sure. What do y'all think, y'all? Cliff trail. Do we turn this way? You got the white on that trail. White trail marker. I think we turn this way. Think we
this
go.
Way?
I
Okay.
think. At least
I think
that's
so too.
at least that's what it says.
So too.
Now, if you look at this, right? If you see right here, y'all. If you look at this, you can look at it.
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. So we go this way. All right. Cool. So even with the offline map, still get lost. I still get lost at least. All right. So you make this right? That's what it says on there?
Yeah, the arrow says go this way. You're not supposed to go that way.
All right.
Remember she showed us the...
So I guess we're going the right way.
Yeah.
If not, we'll detour back.
She made us take the picture. When you see it like that, that means turn right.
All right, cool. That was a little incline, I'm not gonna lie.
That was...
Especially when...
Thank God it was only a half mile.
You're exhausted like I am and like Joy is.
Yeah.
Like I said, when we first started this hike, I was like, oh man, I'm already tired.
I thank God it's like barely 70 degrees right now because...
Yeah. Yeah. Almost there, maybe. Hopefully, we'll see. That breeze feels good.
It feels very good.
All right, so we are approaching the summit at Milford Knob Trail. Got these little stumps, I guess you can sit down.
Yeah. I wouldn't sit down on that. Oh wow.
Ready to see the view?
See the city and you can see the lake. Like
Enjoy.
wow.
All right, Milford Knob Trail, Pennsylvania. It was fun. My first hike, you know, hiking while black in Pennsylvania, and to do it with Joy was definitely good. Anything else you want to say about this hike?
No, it was a nice, easy hike. Oh, well, short. I think we're tired, but I think it's an easy hike, and yeah. Beautiful weather.
Short for words today. We're exhausted. Forgive us, all right? But check it off on our list. See you guys at the next hike, Hiking While Black. Peace.